Good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to tonight's weather report and forecast over Fanjuva. Looking at some of the conditions that we have, we had a bit of frost mainly over the northern parts of the country, covering areas such as Henderson, Shura Falls, Wande, and Lipani, mostly with slight ground frost. And this was because the atmosphere was clearing, and most of the temperatures over the southern parts were in the cold category, becoming warmer as the day progresses, with those skies clearing off, and it became rather very cold towards evening, with moisture drifting out of the country. And as we look at our satellite image, we can see that the moisture was drifting eastward out of the country, and we're still expecting generally sunny Sunday as we get into tomorrow. It should be much warmer, especially over the southern part, but as we get into Monday, we're expecting moisture to drift into the southern part, becoming cloudy as we get into Tuesday. So much of the southern part should be cooler again around Tuesday and Wednesday. But for the rest of the week, we're expecting warmer conditions. Tonight, we are highly expecting very cold conditions, especially along the main watershed, where temperatures should fall into the single digits, but still mild conditions over the extreme northern parts of the country, with temperatures still reaching about 15. By afternoon, temperatures to the south should rise by about 2 degrees compared to today. We're expecting it to be much warmer over areas such as Rwanda, as well as Bulawayo, which is going up to about 27. But on Tuesday, we're expecting a slight dip into Wednesday, and it picks up again as we get into Thursday and Friday. So warmer week ahead, but still a cold dip around Tuesday and Wednesday. Same for Matobo, we're expecting cooler conditions from the south, bringing us a bit of cloud as we get into Tuesday, and we still expect temperatures to also plummet in the minimum temperatures as we get into Wednesday because of the clearance of the clouds as we get into those southern areas of the country. So Rwanda expecting a bit of a chill around Tuesday as well as on Wednesday in the early hours of the morning. Same for Gweru, we're expecting it to drop to about 7 degrees with a slight chance of frost on Wednesday. And for Masvingo, we're expecting cooler conditions on Tuesday afternoon, and also cools down slightly as we get into Wednesday. And for Nyanga, we're expecting also those cooler southeasterlies to affect much of the atmosphere, but generally cloudy conditions predicted over Marandra as well. Cooling southeasterly projected there, with Harare just slightly affected. So for warmer conditions, one has to be in areas such as Kwekwe and Kadoma. We're expecting very sunny and warm conditions for much of this week, but the morning still rather chilly in some instances, where Kadoma can reach a single digits around Wednesday because of that clearance of moisture. But for tomorrow, we're expecting generally warmer conditions, same for Victoria Falls and a mostly sunny skies. And for Lipani, we also expecting generally sunny conditions and warm for much of the afternoon, but the morning hours tend to be very chilly over Lipani. The river also projecting the same cold in the morning, becoming warmer as the day progresses, whilst Kariba is generally mild at best, becoming warmer as the day progresses. That's all for our weather and forecast in Zimbabwe. I'm James Gomajula for the night.